Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Flexa. Today, I will show you how to create a migration and model file and show all blog post data on the list page. Now, we can create migration and model file. Open the terminal and run the command. We can see the post model and posts table migration file are created. Now, adding some columns for the posts table, for example, title and description columns. After modifying the column names, then run the migrate command to create the tables in the databases. Before running the command, please save the project and then run it. The posts table is created. Next, we define the CRUD resource routes. Open the web.php file in the routes directory and define resource routes for your CRUD application, similar to the following. We can see the syntax issue because the post controller have not yet created. Next, create the post controller. By running this command, now, we have the post controller for the project. I already prepare for all the basic actions for CRUD and copy them into the controller. Next, create the view files. First, create the index file. Create a folder in the resource view directory with name is posts. And create the index view file. Navigate to Posts in the browser address bar.